Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add orders to your store in our platform. When you launch ads in Facebook or any other platform outside of Storeino and you start receiving orders from clients, you can actually add these orders to your store in our platform. When you log into your account, go to the orders and then click on new order. As you can see, this page will show up, and first of all, we have the customer information. As you can see, if the customer has already ordered from us, just go ahead and click on select a customer. And as you can see, this list of customers will show up, and just go ahead and click on a customer you want. But if the customer is new, as you can see, we have this part here where you can add the information of your customer. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the first and last name of my customer. You can also add the email and phone number. For example, this is their phone number, and we have the status. If this customer is active, inactive, or blocked, choose the status you want. And of course, if the customer agreed to receive marketing emails, just go ahead and check this case here and click on next. As you can see, the second page is the address page. Here we have, of course, the first and last name and the phone number because we have already added these information. We can also add the name of the company. It's, of course, optional. And we have the address. Just go ahead and write the address of your customer. And we have the second address in case this customer has two addresses. It's, of course, optional. And select the country, then select the province and the city and click on next. The third step is the products. Here we can choose the products that the customer wants to buy from us. Just click on select a product and just go ahead and select the products the customer ordered from you and click on confirm. And of course here at the left we have the custom product in case the product doesn't exist in our store. Just go ahead and write the title and the buying price. Of course, you can also add the sale price and the compare price. It's optional. Just click on confirm and the product will be added to the order. Then click on next. Here we have the shipping methods. As you can see here, we have the discount and the shipping. We can choose the shipping company we want to ship this order with. Of course, we have also the fixed shipping where we can choose a fixed price for the shipping of this order. Here we have the discount. You can enable the discount in the setting. We already have a video explaining how to add and active a discount in your store. Of course, we have the tracking number in case you are using a specific shipping company that requires a tracking number. They can provide you with this tracking number and you can add it in this case. And of course, we have here the total amount of the order. We have the products total. We have the shipping price, the discount, and the total amount of the order. When you are done with all these information, just go ahead and click on next. And for the last step, we have the payment methods. Just go ahead and select the payment method that the customer wants to pay their order with. In my case, it's cash on delivery, and click on next. And the order will be successfully created in your store, and you can find it in the order cases here. As you can see, we have our order and it's actually pending. You can of course change the status of your order. We already have a video explaining how to change the status of your order. Just go ahead and watch that and you are good to go. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.